what to do in Sri Lanka in 60 seconds.
It's Asia in a cocoa nutshell.
There are sacred places
Tons of wildlife.
and spots to relax.
Go chase waterfalls. Have tea.
Take the stairway to heaven. And be lazy.
Hike around Allah to picture-perfect places.
And do that Insta-shot.
But there's more.
Watch birds from boats. And acknowledge British history. Get stuck in traffic.
Meet the little ones. The big ones. And the really big ones.
Sri Lanka is green. So green. Very, very green.
Choose between peaceful
And party beaches.
And dive down to wrecks. You'll fall in love in a tuk-tuk heartbeat.